Stop! Stop! Get that. I'll have that on my dash cam, mate.
Have you?
I will have, yeah. Do you want me to just see what he says? I'll stop somewhere.
Alright, appreciate it, mate. Thank you.
Ho, ho, ho.
If you're going in
Wow.
a Formula 1 car, so you have to be careful when you blink.
Where are you going?
They've measured it, and like drivers always
Where are
blink
you
at the same
going?
part of the course.
It's really interesting.
Really?
That'd be
Yeah,
interesting.
I read that one thing that if you play the sound of cars on a Formula 1 track to a Formula 1 track.
So I was like, and then she's like, oh, nice to meet you. And she went to shake my hands, and I was in the middle of washing them. I was like, it's all right, love, I've got wet hands. And she was like, oh, well, I wouldn't have minded that. And then she was like, oh, are you?
What a twat.
And then like, oh, have you got a partner? I was like.
Ran out of bloody space there. Thanks, mate. 2 lanes, I'm sure you could have managed. Got what's on.
I ordered some. There's a thing called Blinds to Go on the internet.
Oh, yeah.
And they do curtains as well. And
How
I
are you
ordered some
doing?
sample. I ordered some sample materials from them. Their office is just there. I've just got past it. It says blindstogo.com office. Into eating.
You can't have a car.
Maybe when we get to Tesco, you could just take for a wander in the car park.
What a prick. What a bastard. You see that?
Yeah. Wrong lane, red light.
It's the same idiot that cut in front of that flatbed a few miles ago.
It was one of a large series of photographs that had been taken of the cluster. And if you measure the positions of the stars very accurately, you can
Yep. Ta-da!
a trainer at Hendon Police College, but I was particularly at that time in the telecommunications school. How to use these newfangled computers, I mean, you know, sort of in the 80s. And what used to happen is when there were big public order events, you know, like these giant marches, and they put patrol vans out just to sort of provide a sort of mobile base of operation.
Bell Catherine now.
Yeah, exactly. That's pretty much it.
Can we do our own?
I feel like it's going to be very different.
Okay, maybe. Slob.
Like,
slot.
Mix it up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, one's getting horny on Arsehole Avenue roundabout.
Yeah,
Oh, there we go.
so that's why my ligaments tightened up and stuff.
Yep, another jag that can't turn a corner. Come on.
Wonderful place. Dear me. Dude.
Yeah, you shouldn't be driving.
Honestly.
Why would you park there?
What's that move?
Rather tasty Corvette and an extremely rare Fiat 20 valve turbo, which has had one or two modifications. Then it's an old Morris 8 convertible, or roadster as they like to call it, I believe. And a lovely what am I talking about? Aston Martin DB7. And a little A35 when people get out of the way. There we go, a little A35. Remember passing my driving test on one of them. Porsche 911. And an MGF, or TF I think they were called. The XR3 convertible.
Do you want to just pay attention to what you're doing?